Hi, I'm Olivia. I'm a junior at Monmouth College and a classics and English major.
I'm Morgan Kath. I'm a junior here at Monmouth College and I'm a psychology major.
And today, we're going to go interview some students. And our first contestant is...
I'm Kara Fisher.
Hello, Kara Fisher. And what is your major?
I'm exercise science major.
Your exercise science. Did you know that you were going to be exercise science when you came to Monmouth College?
No, I came in as a comm major and a Spanish major, so I changed it.
And what helped you make that decision?
Just finding the interests that I enjoyed. I wasn't really enjoying, obviously, the comm and Spanish stuff, so I changed and took some exercise science classes, and that's what changed my mind.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Kara.
All right, I am joined by...
My name's Jordan Peckham, and I'm a junior biochemistry major.
And did you always know you wanted to be a junior biochem major?
Well, when I came in, I was just a biology major, and then I had to take some general chemistry classes, and I ended up getting really attached to them, so I switched to biochem.
And are you happy with your decision?
Yes, because I love the chemistry department here.
All right, thank you so much.
And next, I'm joined by...
Joido, I'm a freshman.
Very nice to meet you. And what is your major?
Political science major.
And did you know you wanted to be a political science major when you came to Monmouth?
No, I was undecided.
And what helped you decide on political science?
I always found interest in it and my family, basically.
All right, thank you very much.
All right, and I'm joined by...
Madeline Bird. I'm a senior double major with biology and political science. I actually picked up my second major in poli-sci when I came in, and I wasn't particularly happy, and then I realized, I wanted to do something that I really, really enjoyed in college, so I chose poli-sci.
So what made you choose poli-sci?
I really liked the professors. They were all really awesome. I really, really liked hanging out with Andre Audette, and he was like, do it, so I did it.
All right, thank you so much, Madeline.
And next I'm joined by...
Hi, I'm Anita. I'm a freshman.
Hi, Anita. And what's your major?
Currently political science.
All right. And are you currently happy with that major?
Yeah, mostly, but I've been debating about changing it and possibly adding a double major or a minor or something.
All right. And what's helping you through this process?
My advisor, he's the best. We love him.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Anita, and good luck to all that.
Thank you.
And now I'm joined by...
Arturo Monroy. I'm a senior at Monmouth College.
And what major are you?
So I'm currently a math and data science double major, but originally I just came in as a math major, and I picked up the data science major because it's one of the newer majors that was actually just recently added, and I think it's just more beneficial to have that degree, especially with the field that I want to go into.
And are you happy with that decision?
Yeah, I'm very happy with that decision.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. And now I'm joined by...
Michaela Moore.
Michaela, what major are you?
I'm a double major in communication and classics.
And were you always that major?
Nope.
What made you change?
I realized I didn't want to be a lawyer because the school helped me realize that wasn't the life I wanted at all.
Thank you so much, Michaela. Have a good day.
Thanks.
And next up, I'm joined by...
Maddie Fellhauer. I'm a junior.
And Maddie, what are you majoring in?
I am a double major in biochemistry and behavioral neuroscience with a comm minor.
All right. And did you know that you were going to come in and do all that?
No, I just started out biochem, and I added behavioral neuroscience and comm because of Trudy Peterson, comm, and then I really liked my psych class that I took with DOP, so I added the whole major.
All right. And are you happy with your decision?
Very happy.
All right. Thank you so much, Maddie. And next up, we are joined by...
Rebecca Quick, a senior art and math major.
All right. And were you always an art and math major?
No, I came in as an art major, but then I added the math major to add for more opportunities later on.
And what helped you make that decision?
I was really interested in architecture, and I've kind of changed focuses now, but we're here.
All right. Thank you so much.
And next I'm joined by...
Lainey Perez.
And Lainey, what's your major?
I'm a psychology major.
Were you always a psychology major?
Nope.
What made you change?
I actually really started to like psychology after I took Psych 101.
And what was your original major?
Exercise science.
All right. Thank you so much, Lainey. Have a good day.
And next up, we have...
Trevor Jones.
All right, Trevor. And what's your major?
My major is currently biochemistry, but I've changed from chem to a biopsych and then biopsych to biochem.
All right. And what helped you make those decisions of changing?
Well, I originally changed to biopsych because it just kind of called to me more than chemistry when I came in. But then my sophomore year, I started to do research with the chemistry department, and I decided that I'd rather be a biochem major at that point.
All right. Thank you so much, Trevor.
And next I'm joined by.
Kylie McDonald.
And what's your major, Kylie?
I'm English and chemistry.
Were you always that major?
No, I wasn't.
And what made you switch?
I came in as a bio major and I was pre-med, but then I kind of figured out that that wasn't for me and I wasn't following my heart.
And did anyone help you make this decision?
I just talked to all my friends and I realized that they were doing what they wanted to, and so I should too.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Kylie.
And next up we have
Hannah Hoffman.
All right. Hannah, what's your major?
I am a chemistry and classical languages major.
And were you always that major?
No, I started out as just a chemistry major, but I added my classical languages major in my junior into my senior year.
All right. And what helped you add this major?
First of all, my love for classics. I took a lot of classics classes and a lot of language classes in ancient Latin and Greek, and I decided that I wanted to make a major out of it.
Perfect. And what's your favorite Latin word?
I like quam, apropinquat, murmur. There's a lot of fun words.
And do you have a favorite Greek word?
Oimoi.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Hannah.
And next I'm joined by
Emma Fryermuth. I am currently a chemistry major and I came in undecided originally.
And how did you choose chemistry?
I got into working with Max Hawley and kind of found out that this is what I want to do.
And are you happy with this decision?
I am.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.